what happens when love, fashion, and a film premiere come together in Los Angeles. On a sparkling evening at the Saban Theatre, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas became the center of attention, captivating everyone with their undeniable chemistry. As they arrive for the premiere of The Good Half, Priyanka looks stunning in a daring, sheer outfit. At 42, her charisma lit up the evening, while Nick, at the 31, exuded cool sophistication in his stylish ensemble. Their age gap seemed insignificant, as their playful exchanges filled the air with warmth. The film, featuring Nick in his first lead role as screenwriter Ren Wieland, tells the heartfelt story of returning to one's roots after loss. It premiered at the Tribeca Film Festival before making its way to theaters. Under Robert Schwartzman's direction, this comedy drama boasts a talented cast, including Brittany Snow and Elizabeth Shue. As the glamorous couple posed on the red carpet, Priyanka's look was pronounced. She wore a see-through lace top tucked into chic black micro shorts, layered with a shimmering floral dress that gracefully draped over her figure. Her beautiful brunette curls cascaded down her back, perfectly complementing her bold style. Nick supported his leading lady with pride, donning a stylish beige jacket layered over an Arnie green tank top. His relaxed fashion and confident demeanor made the pair a formidable picture of elegance. And this way, and while they celebrated this exciting moment, their daughter, Malti Marie, was notably absent. Nick shared some fun parenting challenges, noting how quickly little ones pick up phrases. They repeated everything. He chuckled, glancing at Priyanka with admiration. Speaking highly of his wife, he revealed her invaluable insights on the film, describing her feedback as instrumental. "She's a brilliant actor and producer, so I trust her opinion implicitly," he said, with genuine affection. If you enjoy keeping up with delightful stories about your favorite stars, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. That's good fun. That's good fun. See you later. As the night glittered under the Hollywood stars, one couldn't help but think, what do you call a romantic comedy with a twist? A rom-comedy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, maybe itty recent for us.